shakarwa nitwetaga miliyoni bina 16 tukataho rufu akizimbecho kandi okurigiriraho imushikize nimwija kuzireta nituwombeke kizimbe cyabo kati nabandi bakujya kucombeka mwenu omuhururu endisho ey'emyaka 25 no kureba ngo project ejo ngijo yaraba no mitumba hati erabiro mitumba hati ne
nema amarniwe kwebumsha bakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda wakarebumsha Mariyo mushikenya hanga ushabiri twabasisi wenu no murakufa kwetu amina mukama abenimwe mwindeke mto yanyu tushabumsha kwa mukama ruhanga bw'embabazi uwasimire kujana uruganda rw'abantu narabyo gucunguza ubwe umukuzara koshugine Mariyo muhirwa ahabwo butonganiriza bwe abaho umugisha amina rero umugisha gwa ruhango mushoborozi wabyona patiri na mwana na mutima rukwera kubashume yo kubarinde hati nebiro byona amina.
Yes, right about now reporting about tureba kwa Business TV Ededa Chika. Eji video no mujirebeji watchinga orebe result aturiya kuzaguza emyaka 25 ya Region of Mary ninga abanyihe ababikira Maria. Bambaza guza emyaka 25 ekibina kitandikire kandi obuzuruzu bwingi obubikira Maria obwakorire bingi. So we appreciate everybody who came through and everybody who is watching. If you know you're prayerful, you know you have ever been in Region of Mary as a group today. Omuri ankore yona ninga Uganda yona nabwe omuri East Africa bambaza guze myaka 25 batandikire kandi bayureka ngo byayambere bintu byingi nibo bayine responsibility yo kuyamba urutabirwa South Sudan, Ethiopia nebindi.
Abenyi nemwe obyanya
What business?
I'm Philip Mujune, President of the Region Western Uganda, which is here in Tanga, Mbarara. We have been celebrating a Silver Jubilee, 25 years, started in 2001. I thank God for the numbers that have attended, good weather, and looking forward for an establishment of another big council in the future. We pray that we live longer and see even greater work done here by the Region of Western Uganda. We have been happy to receive our visitors from Kampala, Synapse of Uganda, which governs us, and it has been a colorful process with the representative of the Archbishop, Reverend Father John Baptist Mujune, who presided over the Mass. And we are happy for everything. Prayer for the Brother Loza Silibaki, President of Synapse of Uganda. This is Godwin Muhirwe, the President of the schools in St. Kabwa, and who helps us with the young generations in the secondary schools. We call upon the young people to join us so that the future becomes more bright. Godwin will be spearheading that group in that endeavor.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, watching Kora Business TV, as you've heard from the president, this project lies on Mbara Kabare Highway. If you have ever passed via St. Lawrence Primary School, going to Ruti. This project is for Region of Mary. If you want to support the construction, you can visit the site, you can see through and ask from the parishes how to support Region of Mary. Watch, it's Kora Business Market Power Channel. God bless you.
ayi mukama ruhanga witu yagabo y'amabanga gawe yiwatwa kerwe natamyemu imbabazi zawe vaho okuba omuntu k'omwana wawe okutugenzuire ekyo turakikusaba tuzaba muri kristo mukama witu.
kamba shabe tukumetwemerire shabe presidenti
ogwo omulungi gw'okwezi orukumulinkana nk'izuba orukutiinisa ng'ebirendango amagara ganje niganyisanya kubaho abokubareebera obutuezi bw'omuzaana w'embwe n'okuyahata obusinge bwona bulyakuba bwanyetuumusha embabazi zazigyerera omutiina obusinge bwona abusoboza biira bitebe yatungura abacureezi werire Isiraeli omugarago we niijwe embabazi ze ekinyuma kiwari patiri naari mwana naari omutima orukwera noho ogwo omulungi gw'okwezi orukumulinkana nk'izooba orukutiinisa ng'ebirendango ayi mariya wahayirira otiine ekintu ky'okuzaariranwa tweshingirize ayi mukama yesu kristu iwe tugarukanisa na ruhanga patiri kwakunda kutawulira okumubwire ojwine buzima kw'abaana bawaitu okutukusya omuntu mwena wakwijaho naashaba embabazi zaawe omutungisa n'okushemererwa byona ebyashaba nabingwa okushabirwa amawutu ogumaliya
Musenge tusiime Reverend Father Turnomusoni owatwebembera omuri ekitambo kya misa ori episkopo Vika abagureta Bushenyi Father Webale Richard omwezi wa bwana mukuru aha bwanya mitanga kandi aha bwaparisheegi nowe muhabuzi w'abanyeyi twokwe Father Webale munonga ntukusiimanana okutebeekanisa karozi nungi munonga omwaka ogu nwe na chaplain w'abeshongozi izitu w'abeshongozi niko wa music translation ekyekyo whichever Webale munonga twine Reverend Father Didas Kasapuri mwana mukuru wa Uganda Matters kandi director wa Radio Maria Father Webale munonga kambaze aho ngurikeho nyazo Father twina Amasco Innocent Diocesan personnel twine Reverend Father Protazi tariko kunutumanya kandi tumwepansa nk'abanyihe abo bwana twera cyango munonga nowe spiritual director aba Western Regia director aba Senatus eyite ya Uganda Father Webale munonga twine Father Bazari nowe spiritual director wa Regia ya Kabale Father Webale kwisha wale kama mlano mulungi ndakushaba
Innocent Muhumuza spiritual director wa diocese ya Port
wale Portro tunaba sister twenda kusima Sister Joy Webale munonga na abazire jemye ngoze waba DMJ Peter Mary and Joseph Sister Webale munonga twine Sister Maria Goretti tugabirwe Station Sisters of Charity na bora huyu makana za kumparisha ya rubidi Sister Webale kwisha twine brother Emmanuel Serwada the Franciscan brother na turomparishi ya Rushoka pinoho n'abapostora ba DMJ Webale kwisha gwamunitwe aboriyo batendekwa omwuga g'obusista abashomesa gera kubasima mwe bari munonga abasako mu kitambo cya misomu mwe bari kwija mukayisarahanga ikitino bazwarana n'abatajwire ngenda kusimana n'abahereza mwe bari munonga mukamarahanga abampere umugisha nyubane bagenda Reverend Father Innocent Muhwezi n'abantu mwe natwe ndakomeza muntu bacira kandi muri gogo mutano ni Yisima kwanjura na nukusima ruhanga habwa narongo ubaki ntwenda MP kukeje kumanya noja kubore MP 1026 ahabwa Rubirizi district abo kwa rero barunda karuru mukabeje yakashitereza kandi muronda karuru bari kwisha kwa abwe ni karabebezi cyakumanya bashaka gukora Tuneho magazini mwaba mutaha muhari rukta kuranzia St. Lawrence Primary School numurebe kizimbe kiriyo nikora ki at least ezo zona nemba bazachi nemba bazaruhanga so ntwenda kandi tukayicira iturukuza mwena aho niza kushaba abashomesa muri gamba teganza hati mutwokwe kandi nza guteganza ko kwiruka tindaga guteganza baba kwasize bibo obundi omudakore wo murumo go kuriyo nukorwa twemero misho ga tensezi oyino mutwaro mutware 5 mutware 10 oyine 12 15 tuziteke mahambo murumo go kuriyo nukora ki ahago murumo go kuriyo nukorwa gokwe abishongozi niza kubasha bamara mundiza maraka ganyu rero koro musabo twakorecho rero twara umurimo mu runjogo wo kwisarahanga ekitino ege twagarisize hamwe umurimo mu runjogo abariyo bakora umushabo zanyu kugira cyo batwereza aha bo kumazamuna no mu bunci ubumbe bw'ejo obasha kuba udiza na sente ine cyo kwenda kutereza ino mtobo wo kwenda kutereza no ikaha nongambira rero natwereza chance no guhereza webale no kunyakiro mwiho mwaka gw'2024 nikitabwenda high school na hati cyo mudika
agana kasinje
nagamba bernena urachukua chakasamati
challenge lemwe nitakagambira bingi nimanya ngo haraba kwenda no kugenda kutoroka ubundi n'ibindi ukana bena baraganisa babibaryaha umtebekanse appetite zanyu kandi nicyongerayo ibyo kurya biryo birye biteziwe mwene mutatoroka mwetware twendereje rero tuze kubirya ki umutambizi wito mukuru wazwekera ishabarisa twafushemererwa munonga muzi wa dayisi ya Bukoto Father Innocent Mumuza wibareniwe kwija abasaserdoti abandi mwe nabija abanyadini abahereza bitu abemezi b'urukiko rukuru Senate of Uganda, Vice President na President, delegation from Archdiocese of Juba, abemezi ba government abaryaha n'abandi abashomesa bitu abanyihe bagenzi banje abemezi ni mwena abantu ba Ruhanga mukamana bakunda ninyenda kugamba bice konkana ninyenda umbini kuzagambe kuri munonga no kusimba twenda kubanza kusimba Ruhanga uturizire ekeshongore cyo nikira kuchukunda kandi bayishongore binahura babiretamu uturizire kutuma risidi imyaka yona tukaza kuze imyaka 25 ya regi Ruhanga mwongerere kimwenga zamani ndakeyongireyo twenda kusimira Ruhanga ekichoncho cy'abantu babiri twenda bito bayebembire wihe Brother Paulo Kwata akaba ryo bezi omutandika rogia obwa hata ryo mukagari takubasa no kwesya naha tubeteka tekire mutumurete ko katware utuza kumuhinda konkani manyangwa hari turunawe kandi tushemerirwe nawe simba chiko ruhire tuzomusanda tusomumi of Uganda mu rukiko nyoka ikanarara yo tsimi wakagendo mu kiro kuna kiro mu rukiko nategereza tsime yawe amakora hinagire gatungira gakurwo wafaga protaza kubatuka akabita WhatsApp niriwe sumu nashanga tsime yatunga accident kandi kubi munongo zakurwo mu rukiko musanatusi nakaragaza ninza murago ngashanga tsime arige ibigaho mwe nagira ngo tsime Ruhanga ahabwa amagaraga tsime nimba nkimanyiza naye bare kuturindira kandi tsime nuwe secretary substantial secretary wa regia inyesiga ngo Ruhanga naza kura kukiza kandi ugumizemo imirimo yawe mwenu emyaka 25 eyitukuza amazima n'ikintu cy'amani omu magazine yituba omutandikire ntiremwe bwambo bike munonga ahabwanje babe bashabire ngo na history yo kutwatandikire konka history twatwagitire omu magazine y'imyaka igana nabwe no baterire mungu mbeni yo mwaza mugure magazine abatajine mugaruke yo murebe history twagitayo kare konka myaka 25 n'ekintu kikuru munonga ndiyo mu bantu abino kugisha kugireba regia nitandika mu myaka 25 kandi na hato nagabwankiro tugiza gusa ibirabiri na mukago kwezi kwa gatano 2021 tukatunga ruza nkabanye neho nabanda bebembeza bakiruho
Asisa Clemencia achiruwaha, Paulo Kwata ngugwenda wachiruho, Pius Baguma, Cyprian Kabarega n'abandi abo twatandikire nabo ababe bari mu cweka bingi. Ni nyenda sime mukama abo kureba mu tukiroho kandi no kureba umurumo muhango ogukozwe. Tikuzagamba bi umutangizo mukuru yagamba ho byingi birungi kandi Father Nosha iho karitandika kare kandi wendi wowe bare kuba ako ni ndebe bintu bingi no bimanya ebikwatire nitwe n'abanyihe mwe ningera nisaba risa kohereza nabanza kwenda ngo ubundi ngende yare konka aromuntu obutubere turi ahantu tuganira aromuntu agizira emyaka 25 twaza kuzerizo ndijera kurate 25 abaragishike atene bugahwa abe myaka nke yanje ngwe abo konyo hati nyene myaka nkaga na mushanje njimanyisa ngwe myaka 25 misho ninja kuba nyene nkacenda nesha obanda beni nchesyanka mwenu njimanyisa ngwe myaka 25 twakuza mazimi toba aba twe twise mukama munongo abirnetane nije oba tugirebo batagireba eyeri nzoba twagera ki twagireba mweterero mungabe mwe nawo nyine hakagambo kaki abo kuba entunguka yihe umucanga kitu president wa senatu sinimanyo rimo rumwe wasa kubota kurucenga ngo bimwe no bicenga jemu kozo Ruganda no rucenga na brothers president sana bajupa ngwenu the people from Juba will not get it. We shall translate a bit of the things afterwards. Koka iheri ya Bikira Maria yongire kutugirira mani na munonga omubana aba junior na ba secondary schools no mu universities no kwiyongerayo nyo mwe kunkuza Kampala nani mbugana abana bakurwa mu universities Makerere Chambogowe osanga mwenu nani nyenda kubasaba I don't know this one na senatu meeting akaza kutweta ngo aruta ngo ni BBC nyonkanda kucumanyaje kandi manye cyanje cyakare konga kuyachindure yagera ngo no born before computer omukuchiza yaje ngo born before kandi mazima kamba gambiri abazirwe computer takabire kutwine bizu abo kuba kibwo bashabire mutugure smartphones abo kwemwe biri ya smartphones abachine katochi muchine bizunkanye kukuza computer naza kwemera umwe yanje computer yontegazega ngo yafu nchituma mwana nyine mwana wanje natura hihi njeho ontere computer kayafa achiza nata wate nkumwati ndeba computer mwenu waze kwatfire ni computer ninga no kutokwa mushini mwenu ba BBC mureke twitirize ngututemani turebeke mutwatihe omubana bato na kigambira muzindaro kanyenda kukigaruka ekirarete riye kutunguka no kuruto mbana primary schools bachira abana ba primary tukakora ka slogan kitu kandi bakamanya once a legionary ever a legionary kunkagambira yo mu junior bakagaruka muki kutwa kugumya ka slogan nako kakaruko mu once a legionary ever legionary kurugo primary mu secondary ntuza kutunga no mu university z'abana abaratunge n'emirumo mirungi bazo mu working class nibiza kumana bamanya ngo once a legionary ever the young people appeal to the young people abo ko myaka eje mice yaza kuratayo itoba garantiza ko batwayitahiye abembeze bareje mwemerere mbanzure ntakagenda ntabanjwi mwemerere tureba baruho hariho Sister Maria Nseka nabo treasurer witu ubwo narganya mitanga hano ya mwanya ubwo nawe numurebo kuya ubwo nawe ni yake yitu ni ndeba Sister Angel wabwere ngo narga musanga ubwo nangwa haba samwa kiri mwakanisa Brother Pius Baguma alyo mirimo nawe n'emyaka yanje ubwo nansiza ho kaki Brother Simbe numureba ngubwo asitamye hasi emyaka niye yanje Father Protaze umuhabuzi witu nosa n'emyaka niyejo umwe wale Justice aha haba sakaya mwatwene yo kumusigaza Justice narwo mu Uganda matazi hata nuwo twesitire kunkubandi ya computer itishoba mweta kimweta nebe yabe jamingire yabe tajamingire nibyashobe okamwe bari munonga ahandi nimbendeza je abarwakayo mugarisho yo kurungi koka mutasigawe byo kurya mureke turyeje tushemererwe.
Brother President, the Region of Western Uganda. The main celebrant, Reverend Father Benomugisha Trinomugisha. Yes. Trinomugisha. Thank you very much. The Assistant Spiritual Director of the Senate of Uganda, Reverend Father Protaz Protaremwa. All the spiritual directors here present, all the religious brothers and sisters, the Vice President of the Senate of Uganda, the President, the Region of Western Uganda, all presidents of different councils, Comisia, Curie, and Presidia who are here, all leaders of different levels at the parish, in the diocese, and all other places. My dear brothers, ladies and gentlemen, the Lord is good and all the time. I will use English, and at a certain point I can explain some point in Luganda. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are here celebrating, and it is very good to celebrate. 25 years of dedicated regional service. This is not a small achievement. 25 years in Uganda, they rarely reach their first anniversary. Businesses, those years we used to have children who could not even celebrate their first birthday. Now as an organization, we are celebrating 25 years. Please turn around and congratulate your neighbor and say, congratulations. Give glory to God. Yes, who are we for sure to be here today to celebrate these 25 years? We would be having a whole country here, but we are the selected few, the lucky few that God has chosen to be here and celebrate these 25 years. So, it is a real silver jubilee of faithfulness, sacrifice, and quiet heroism. I wish first to congratulate the Region of Western Uganda and to express deep gratitude to His Grace, the Archbishop of Mbarara Archdiocese, represented by the Episcopal figure today. I want to congratulate the clergy, all the regional officers, and every regionally, whether you are senior or junior, for your zeal, persistence, and obedience in doing the work of Our Lady in this ecclesiastical province. I thank you so much. I want to tell you, your footprints are visible, very visible. A great job. As we celebrate the past 25 years, we must also secure the future. And I want to add on the words of my brother, Mujuni Philip, the president of the Regia, that the future is found in the youth. The future is in the schools. If the Legion does not intentionally enter schools, accompany young people, and form them in prayer, discipline, and mission, we risk celebrating jubilees without successors. And so, if you are a member of Legion of Mary and you are here, you are president of a presidium, a courier, a commission, know that today's celebration is simply pushing you ahead, that tomorrow, starting even today, go to the next school there. Introduce Legion of Mary. Make sure we mentor the younger ones who will be there 25 years later, 100 years later. We would like to celebrate another century. So majority of us will not be here, but I know those young ones who are crying over there, they will be the ones there. Now this is the time to make them enter and do the work. Young people are not the church of tomorrow, as they usually say. They are the church of today. Let us listen to them, mentor them, and trust them with responsibility in the Legion. Brothers and sisters, as we look at next year and the years to come, we'll be electing a new president. Whosoever comes will be a new president. We will be having so many things. But as Legion of Mary, what is our year 2026 bringing to us? I want to bring to the Gospel of St. Mark, chapter 16, verse 15, where he says, Jesus himself says, go preach the gospel. Go preach the gospel. And this is the theme we have chosen for 2026. Those of you who have got the hand of the Legion of Mary, go to chapter 46. Chapter 40. Chapter 40, it has the same words. Go preach the gospel. And so this theme, it is not just a suggestion. It is a command from Jesus himself. And when he says go, he means move. He's not saying stay and look around. He's saying move. Go is action oriented. Go there. Does that mean you just sit? You have to move. You have to be on the move. So go means movement. It means leaving comfort zones, going to the peripheries, knocking on doors, visiting homes, reaching the forgotten, the wounded, and the doubting Thomases. The Legion was born to go, not to sit, not to wait, but to do what? For giving us a team of people and many legionaries that work with us to go and do this work. In a special way, Brother Mujuni, they know you, but stand up again. Brother Mujuni, you are doing us proud. He has done great work in South Sudan. In Yambio, he went to a diocese called Tombra Yambio. And you already heard from the main brand. He has been there and has done work there. But the Legion of Mary, it was in shambles. Brother Mujuni has used his knowledge, his tactics, and established strong presidia and courier to the level that last year we were able to form a commission. So we thank you for the work. And actually, the thank you for me, I want to give it to the people here. You are the ones who have given us that courage. Even to allow him to go to South, you would have said, no, there is enough work here. But we thank you for doing that. I would like to introduce my brother, Vice President. He has been talked about, but I have a lot. I will only say it in a few words. The young man here with me is Francis Mubiru Kijambu. Brother Francis Mubiru Kijambu, when he was wedding, I don't know, the Holy Spirit I think guided me. He invited me for his wedding. Then I looked at them with his wife, and when they invited me to talk, I said a few things, but I simply told the wife that continue with the work. As we talk, we have 6 presidia in Ethiopia that are working very well. I want to invite young men who are here. Young people, please come. Our neighbors in Tanzania are struggling. I need people to go there and do. Continuum recently wrote and was saying, yes, there are lots of challenges, but they need to be supported. We also need to go to Zambia. You've heard of South Africa, that's a developed country. Yes, but I want to tell you, when it comes to Legend of Mary, they are thousands of kilometers away from us. Legend of Mary is struggling in South Africa. Who is going to do that? We want to have our own missionaries, our own legionaries, to do the work in Africa. And therefore, I invite you to come and join us. Having said that, my dear brothers and sisters, I have one last message. Pray the rosary. Brothers and sisters, mumpulira, the work of being able to do has been as a result of your prayers through the rosary. Can we continue saying the rosary? Every time our Blessed Mother appears, her message is simple and consistent. She does not say, wear the rosary. Yeah? Have you heard of in Fatima? In Chimeo? Did she say, wear the rosary? No. What does she say? Pray the rosary. So, can we be on our knees? Let us pray the rosary.
Kokuna nagize kutandika imirimo y'abanyihe ninge bishuma by'abanyihe binji tibiri kurebeka kuba kukwata ahamitima y'abantu kuba kukwata rigenda ninza omuruhome nza Nyamushekera mu cyome cya Bushenyi main nza Kishasha muri Shema nza mu cyome cya Ntoma kuri kuba no shabana ba sibe no basa kutaribiwe kiwakora kongo bondo ko kusaba murundi kumwabaza gwa kabiro kareba okubashemerirwe okuba kwekunda okuba iwo mundoro kuboriya hero robota kamanya icyabanyihe barukora umuntu mitima y'abantu no magaraga abantu abanyihe mwebare mukatora naje mwebare kutora naje kigombe cyo butumwa aza nyabura mugumizemu abo kuba muri yencingi nkuru y'ekereziya muri yencingi nkuru omuparishe zanyu na za myanya yona yimuru kubera na yimuru kororo butumwa nyewe ngo kutwatandika ikicweke kindi cy'emyaka 25 nicyo ndikubatengera mutakaro ha okukora obutumwa bw'omuzeire nko kumwaceterwe kandi mukaceterwa mwekundire mukakira ubutumwa bwa mwekundire nyabura mugumizemu. Bishop Lambert Binomugisha ubwa bishop wa Kasese, ubwa bishop wa Fort Portal, koro kubushoma urebo kubari kutunda okubari kundeye kandi okubari kurishongera. Nindeba binyo muri mwe mukatungira magazine za magazine za abantu kabanda baronda magazine za wayo zamurebeka no mwoga muhango gutwine kureba ngo twataho rufu enjura nkeze ziri kwija nyingi zitakazitira hansi mutera yakarimo koyo muri banywano banyu mu bana banyu banyabuzare banyu batuhereza umuganda kugira ngo tubase gukora iki izimbe cyo kandi twacendera kandi twija kucendera abo kwa tubeine ubu tubeine twija kugendera ningira n'ibyo bici ko kubanshaba kanshabe uriyo musiyasi wa hatumwe nyauni wako musiyasi amazina gawo ndi ngamanya mbere ni mburebo mbishani ngwe ntaragaho nakureba ngweme ijuga mbere abantu aba no akabicura meza
father kandi my spiritual director at the same time no basa kuba wayebirwe konkanyo we ndio mwana wakashozaka nkandio Legion of Mary Mary High School 2007-2010 konkano reba bokora bo mungaro nibingi mwene abamwe bakweba hwamisho omutambizi witu mukuru ahabwizoberi Episcopal Vicar webare munonga, the clergy at large, brothers and sisters buriyomo mukitinisa kye mukama nabakunda mwijura maniga mutima orikwera ani kunda kusima ruhanga munonga habwizoberi abo kugira ngo twena tweterine abiheri abikira Maria mwebare munonga ayayayaya kunaretwa hariya narebe mbibo nungi munonga nambwene president iwe takatina hatoro rugambo rutwatandika no rwitu twena nambwe nishangu buri omwe kwararuga no mwoga gwawe kurebuka ngu iheri yabikira Maria ryayongera no tandikana niwe nko muntu oyongera hweka yawe murata musigayo bantu mwe birungi ncenda twena tubaganeho tukwe so mureke twena tuyeba agents ba Mother Mary nikuraganisa ngu iheterize kwaho president humura amazina arinitwe Geneva Narongo ndio munyarubirizi abinja mukumanya nka bunyaruguru namwe ndanisha abanyaruguru abaryahambaze mwemerere mukace abanyo ndio wanyuka ricuramo itwe ntukora bice kunkana birebuka ahabwemba bazaruhanga ninyo mukaza yakwasire bendera ko mucyaro mujwekero wa Rubirizi district omukarura ke bendera kandi kutwagiro muka general nabi nabenye simbire nabo bande kurra natunanyabwa bigazi bwa Bikira Maria nkabaganaho Bikira Maria hewe kitinisa okwikumi nkatembo rushozi Calvary tukaturuho tuza general elections registration nkabuza Bikira Maria na mjantu bitu arikwenda kubagana abgabe kazi bwawe nakorata kutwarugireyo hakana habara yebiro bice twaza kwehandikisa ninye nabanze kwehandikisa bakaba twire biro bibiri ekiro cya kabiri haburundi jo yahandikisa nagira Bikira Maria no bunabe nintaka munonga obugabe kazo ka wabwikize hihi mwena batakumanye mbabaza Bikira Maria ne byakora murebera harinye nyowande muntu arikuruga umukaya hasi munonga ababunyaruguru no bakimanya konka bwembabaza mama hatindiye kindi mwene waba no ushomesa tireho mutima abyasigara berekera ruhanga ninyenda kongera kwemurikira bwana mukuru wanje Father Kasapuri nyondi vice chairperson wa Tanasi Rwemijina mbwenu Uganda Matazi naho ndiyo mwana kunkuba ndiyo mukupaka saha mbarara nindara kakoba rwemijinaho wahingura kachari Bishop Stewart mbwenu akobwana na nahura nati na mwakantu abo kuba obunyihenka uheruka hinyumaho ntekateka kandi yo mu A-level St. Mary's Vocational School Chamunga bit and spiritual director wanje kuyanagamba it was the president yajang once a legionary forever a legionary. So I'm so happy to come back home kandi mazima nagomuka twehona aho mwanya ngudayire mirundi mingi munonga ninchira kwija hanganira no muzire kandi shara zanje zigarukiremo mbwenu nahabwecho nobundi abentakatandikire kutunga omushara konka nanye nimpuranye nibanza hakizimbe echo nkarugaha okwamwenda nkandi aho ahanju ya Bikira Maria nareba umurimo gwabe ngugendo misho I felt indebted. So nko mwana wa Maria na nyowe umani ganje mache ninza kwatagana na spiritual director ninza kubahereza obushawi 10 bwa simenti bukwingana emitwaro 50. Rero murimo gwo muzire weyongere kugenda misho erizoba tinatambura nyenka nijana metron wanje murebe aha nowogwe anumanye umugore tafutambura wenka twehona kandi nashemerwa munonga kunikanka rebe namba mpango y'abanyaruguru nahura nasi baruhanga ebyo kampiteka harubaju nzabyakishari main theme yitu Nigeria protecting the games ebyo bitwatungire okubirinda kandi nyowe echamani munonge kikubikira byona no businge obusinge ayibkuba buri kimwe nikibasika mwene mbasha batwe no kuturya turgate biba agents bo businge mu makagitu na nombyare bitukurugamu dera karura karukwija tukaratuteganise nyenda kubasha bakaruruka president chairman wanje Westin Samunonga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tibuhaburwa ono mshahine cyatufundize mureka gumizemu rero Uganda yitu eyongere kugira businge nimbasha batwe natukumo businge Uganda yitu ebeyo businge nakarura ko
kwirema amarniwe kayebo mshotsa bakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yakarebo msha Mariyo mushina hanga ushabiri twabasisi wenu no murakufa kwetu amina. Mukama abene imwe mwineke mto yanyu tushabumsha gwa mukama ruhanga bw'embabazi uwasimire kujino Rwanda rw'abantu narabyo gucunguza ubwe umukuzara koshugine Mariyo muhirwa ahabwo butonganiriza bwe abaho mugisha amina. Rero mugisha gwa ruhango mushoborozi wabyona Patiri na mwana na mutima rukwera kubashumeho kubarinde hati nebiro byona amina. Mugende mwatumwa
abeshongozi amateka abine mukwato byo kwereza umugisha kashabe ngo mbekwate rero father abyera umugisha
ubumanyiso oburukutworeka embabazi zawe zikuruga ahariwe mbwene bikwate byo bitwine nebiturukwenda kwejunisa omumurimo ogu obuhereza umugisha kandi mukubyejunisa izo mbabazi zawe tuzitunge rero nshaba umugisha gwawe mu izina rya Patiri n'erya mwana n'erya mutima rukwera amina.
arabeshongoza mutereke shongoro abuza kutwera umushara keki mubena mwikahi abasosorondoti president wa senatus amwena abebebezi ba Rechia akike tushare akabazo
mwatumwa
abeshongozi amate abine mukwato byo kwerezo mugisha kasha bengu mbekwate rero father abnyera mugisha